Hey everyone, and welcome to Keep Drawing. Today we are going to draw a unicorn ghost. We'll start with 2 lines for the hair on top of the head and leave some space in between for the unicorn horn. Now we'll draw another line for the back of the head. And a curve for the unicorn bangs. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always hit pause. Here's another line for the hair on the side and the part. Next, we'll draw the horn sticking out of the forehead. First, draw 2 lines that go straight down, and then a tiny curve at the bottom. Now we'll add some detailed lines to finish the hair in the back. Next, draw a long, slightly curved line in the front for the ghost body. Add 2 bumps along the bottom, and then connect them with this line around the back of the ghost. Now that our outline is finished, let's start the tail. Now draw an oval standing up for the eye. Next, make 2 lines for the winking eye. Start the smile with this small line underneath the eyes. Then connect it underneath with this larger curve. And add 1 tiny line for the tongue. Our next details are a small circle to reflect light and the eyelashes. Now let's draw line patterns for the hair. Just like that, and another one for the tail. Our last detail is the lines that go around the horn. Now that we've finished the drawing part, I'm going to speed things up a little for coloring in the dark areas and the dark outlines. First, I'll start with a marker with a wider point, and then switch to a smaller point for details I might have missed. And here's our ghost unicorn all finished. I colored the horn yellow and made a purple and pink pattern for the hair. The red tongue and dark outline helps it stand out. I hope you enjoyed drawing this ghost unicorn with me. And thanks for watching.